Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Toyota's 2001 to 2007 Sequoia.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove the body bolts and bushings from each mount, or the amount needed to allow the body to be lifted off the frame to grant better access to the install area. Remove your spare tire and clear the work area of any lines or power harnesses. Step 3. Begin cutting away the factory crossmember. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Coat the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. With a C-clamp, secure the backing plates to the inside of the frame rail, just over the area where the factory crossmember was removed from. Tack weld it to the frame and repeat on the other side. With the included support flanges, line up their alignment tabs with the slots in the side of the crossmember and weld them together. Hammer the assembled crossmember in between the two backing plates. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges of the frame section. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your body mount bolts and bushings, and you're done.